You should have saved me some.
Hey everyone, I'm Jim with YouGetRipped.com, and today we're going to make banana nut bread French toast. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I've got 4 egg whites here. I've got some ground cinnamon, banana extract. I've got some chopped up almonds. I've got 2 pieces of Ezekiel bread, and I'm going to top it off with some strawberries, or you can use blueberries or whatever, and then I got a little garnish there to make it look pretty. And then some no sugar or sugar-free maple syrup. And this is going to be under 400 calories. So I've got my 4 egg whites in here. What we'll do is put in a little bit of cinnamon, put in a little bit of the banana extract, about a tablespoon or so, dash, whatever you like. However much flavor you want in there, that's how much you're going to put in it, basically. Alright, so let's just mix that up a little bit. Let's preheat the oven here. We'll put it at about a medium heat. Smells good, I'll tell you that. We haven't even started cooking yet. Alright, so let's take our bread, go ahead and soak that right in our egg. I'm going to get as much of that egg to soak in as possible. I'm going to put both of them right in here. I want to make sure I'm getting all the protein out of this egg as I can. So I definitely want to make sure that's all soaked right in there. And then when it comes to our pan, we're going to use olive oil spray. Okay, now I'm going to spray my pan with some olive oil spray so we don't stick. And then we're going to take our bread that's been soaking, stick it right in the pan. Alright, here's our French toast all cooked up. Let's start with the syrup. Let's put a little bit of syrup on there. Let's go ahead and put our crushed up almonds on there. That smells so good. And put our strawberry on there. Got about 3 strawberries here. I slice them up just to make it look pretty. Put a little garnish on there. Make it look nice. And there you have it. Banana nut bread French toast. All the carbohydrates you need. You've got your simple carbs and your complex carbs in your bread. Your simple carbs are in your fruit. You've got your good fats in your almonds. You've got your protein in your eggs. You get all your bases covered here for breakfast. So hopefully this is helpful to you. You enjoyed this video. I'm going to eat this because I can't wait. It's getting cold and I'm starving. So I'll talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. I had to turn the camera back on. This is incredible. This is like if you took a banana nut bread and made it with that. That's what this tastes like. Man. And I haven't had French toast in, shoot, over 8 months. That is good. and healthy and nutritious. Can't beat it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Leave a comment below this. Try this out. Let me know what you think. This is really good, I think. So, thanks again for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.
Now you get ripped!